From Turner Hastings. I'm about to install one of our two-piece pop-up waists, which can either be mushroom pop-up or button pop-up. Now this particular waist that we've got here is designed by Turner Hastings. It fits a 32mm and a 40mm basin waist with or without overflow. So that's why we call it the 4-in-1 waist. So it fits all different floor sizes. Nicely packaged, as you can see. Now let me explain how to install it into our basin. So we take it out of the box. We have the top piece, we have the bottom piece, and we have the bolt that goes through the middle, and we have the pop-up mechanism and the ring on top. Now, for starters, the best thing to do is install silicone around there so it seals between this and the ceramic basin. So I'm about to install some silicone now around the top. So I'll install silicone all the way around there to make sure it's nice and clean and installed. The next thing is I put this down into the ceramic basin and let the silicone ooze out, and then I bring this piece here up from underneath the basin. So that comes up from underneath, and the next thing is I put that bolt straight down the centre of the waist and connect it with the piece underneath. So get the screwdriver. Make sure that silicone washer stays in the centre. Tighten it up from the top as I'm using the Phillips head screwdriver to bring the top section of the waist in line with the bottom section. Make it nice and tight. Clean up the excess silicone from around the top here. And then I get the mechanism, which is this piece here, and install this down into the top of the waist. Screw it down tight, and then it's ready to use the normal pop-up. And the base section down here is a 40mm BSP thread ready to connect your trap straight onto. So it's very easy to install. Thank you for watching.